Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm going to jazz up the humble old Anzac slice, and it's coming right up. So today I'm going to share with you a little creation I've come up with, and I call it my caramel Anzac slice. So basically what I've done is I've combined three of my favourite things: Anzac biscuits, caramel, and macadamia nuts. I'll show you how it's done. So the first step is to make the Anzac biscuit base. So in my bowl here I have some self-raising flour. To this I'm going to add some rolled oats, some desiccated coconut, and I'm going to sift in some caster sugar. Give those all a good mix. Now, just like your usual Anzac biscuit recipe, you always have the melted component. So in this pan, I have melted down some golden syrup, some butter and water. And to this, I'm going to add now a teaspoon of bicarb soda. And give that a mix and it'll froth up. Now, back to our bowl. We're going to make a little well in the center and add the melted ingredients. And then we're going to stir the two together. Now it's just a matter of pressing this mixture firmly into the base of a lined small slice tray. While you're doing this, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake this until it's a lovely deep golden brown colour. Okay, while my slice is baking, I'm going to start making the caramel. So I have a small saucepan on the stove top here, and I'm going to put that to a medium-low heat. In my pan I have some butter, and I'm going to add to this a tin of condensed milk. The other important ingredient, of course, is golden syrup. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of golden syrup to this now. And we're going to mix these ingredients together. Once it's melted, we want to cook this off for about 7 minutes until it's nice and thick. Okay, my caramel is lovely and thick now, so I'm going to turn the heat off. And to this, I'm going to add a cup of raw macadamia nut kernels. So I'm going to pop that in there and give it a good thorough mix, so all those nuts are covered in that gooey caramel. Now, in the end, I actually only cooked my base for about 10 minutes because, as you can see, it's already a beautiful golden brown colour. So I've just taken that out of the oven, and I'm going to now pour my caramel macadamia nuts on top. Now, use the back of your spoon to evenly distribute this caramel. And then we're going to return this to the oven for approximately 5 minutes just to cook up that caramel a little bit. So we want to see the caramel get a lovely tinge of golden brown, and then our slice is done. To decorate this slice, I like to just melt some white chocolate and drizzle it on top. Just nice and rough and rustic, and the white chocolate and the macadamia nuts always go really nicely together. Now this slice is done, I'm going to pop it in the fridge to set, and I'm also going to store it in the fridge when I'm not eating it.